Metromile Insurance Review. Is pay per mile worth it? On the off chance that you are searching for a less expensive choice for accident coverage, Metromile offers a charming arrangement. Its charges depend principally on the amount you drive. Sent off in 2011 in San Francisco, Metromile offers vehicle protection to individuals who would prefer to pay by the mile. As of August 2019, it is accessible in 8 states, including Arizona, California, Illinois, New Jersey, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Virginia, and Washington. The organization's objective market is individuals who drive very little. On the off chance that you travel less than 10,000 miles each year, you might actually save many dollars a year on your vehicle protection. What Metromile covers? Metromile has every one of the choices you would get with most transporters. It covers real injury and property harm and has uninsured or underinsured driver insurance. It has the typical thorough and impact allowances from $250 to $1,000. You additionally get every minute of everyday guarantees administration and even emergency aids. Key takeaways. Metromile is elective vehicle protection where rates are principally dictated by mileage. Metromile utilizes a screen that plugs into a vehicle's analytic port to follow miles driven. Customary elements like age, record, and driving history decide a driver's qualification for Metromile protection. Notwithstanding the driver's capabilities, the vehicle should be outfitted with an OBD2 port. Understanding Metromile protection charges a level month-to-month expense in addition to a mileage expense. You might pay $1.40 each month in addition to 5 pennies for every mile, for instance. If you travel 500 miles each month, you would pay $1.65 each month or $780 each year. Similarly, as with conventional guarantors, the expense shifts relying upon your driving record, age, and where you live. There are a few special cases for the mileage rule. In the first place, Metromile will just energize you for 250 miles each day or 150 every day in New Jersey. That implies that a periodic excursion won't burn through every last dollar, yet you'd add to a heavy bill with a cross-country trip. No coverage for Uber or Lyft. Metromile as of late dropped its organization with Uber and doesn't cover contender ride-sharing help like Lyft, all things considered. It as of late banded together with Turo to make fragmentary protection, which helps drivers from being twofold charged or twofold guaranteed. Metromile clients who are likewise Turo clients will possibly pay the per-mile charge when their vehicle isn't imparted to another person through Turo. Turo's protection kicks in when another person is driving the Metromile client's vehicle. How does Metromile has at least some idea what number of miles you drive? It utilizes Metromile Pulse, which connects to your vehicle's symptomatic port. Similar one your technician uses to determine issues to have your vehicle. Beat then, at that point, sends a pile of information to Metromile that you can access on the application or on the web. This incorporates mileage as well as the state of your vehicle and your area. Beat has a ready framework that advises you assuming you really want to get your vehicle off the road. These cautions are called road cleaning warnings. Metromile additionally gives pulse connectors to help clients who might be driving a more seasoned vehicle or vehicles like Teslas. Who's eligible? Metromile protection works similar as whatever other transporter with regards to qualification. Your driving history, age, financial assessment, and different elements decide your base and per mileage rates. That implies there can be huge contrasts between what you and your neighbor would pay. Likewise, your vehicle must have an OBD2 port. In the event that your vehicle isn't over 20 years of age, you most likely have one. The bottom line, the thought sounds incredible and it might function admirably if you drive inconsistently. A speedy, non-logical glance at surveys of the organization viewed them as blended. Many surveys say that the case's experience was not so great, and certain individuals report that the cost went up following a half year to the place where it became less expensive to buy conventional protection.